Hi. I'll talk about two viewpoints. One is the mind's perspective, and the other is the absolute perspective. Mind is a bundle of thoughts. Absolute perspective is silence. Silence is absolute, therefore it is changeless. Because it is changeless, it has no beginning and it has no end. From the silence point of view, basically, if there is no thought and the senses are open, the silence and the objects of the world are one and the same, not separate. The silence is within the object and the object is within the silence. So the silence sees the object, yet there is no thought about the object itself. So the direct experience is silence alone exists. Silence has no relationship with any thought, word or action. Silence has no relationship with emotion. So if one thinks it has a relationship from the point of view of the source, this is a misconception. It is a mistake in the perception. From the mind's point of view, the mind is actually relating to objects of the world. So it is in relationship with the body, and it is in relationship with other objects that is perceived through the senses of the body. So the only thing that has a relationship is the entity I, thought, that relates to other objects, or if we'll be more precise, the I thought relates to other thoughts about the objects of the world. So the I thought has a relationship to my thoughts, and it starts to interact between what I think and my beliefs about what I think, about my belief and what I think about my beliefs, about my conceptual image that I have about me as a physical body, and the relationship I have about the conceptual image that I have about somebody else. And I start to be in relationship between one conceptual image of myself with another conceptual image of someone else, and basically I'm in a relationship in my mind only. So from the standpoint of silence, there is no relationship with any objects of the world, yet the silence is not separate from any object, and when there is no object, the silence remains by itself, and when the object appears, silence is one with every object. From the point of view of the mind is just relating to other thoughts about the objects of the world. So these are the two point of view that we can see. Mind's point of view and the silence, which is your true nature point of view. Thank you. All the very best.